Hello there and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about the portable prefabricated tiny home, an ideal solution for those looking for a versatile, mobile and modern living space. Whether you need a hotel office, a shop, a villa, a warehouse or a workshop, this mobile container house with modular design structure has you covered. Measuring 20 ft x 30 feet 9,600 2,530 millimeters, this tiny home is not only spacious but also incredibly well designed for easy assembly and disassembly. The high-quality materials used in its construction are built to last, providing you with a durable and secure living or working space. What's more, this tiny home is perfect for those who value a sustainable and eco-friendly lifestyle. Its energy-efficient design and environmental friendliness make it a great choice for those who want to reduce their carbon footprint. So, if you're ready to take the next step towards a more flexible, convenient and sustainable living or working space, be sure to click the link in the description below to learn more about the portable prefabricated tiny home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to upgrade your lifestyle today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing products like this. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.